Hi guys, thanks for tuning into Lightworks TV. My name's Dave, and you're watching product demonstrations.
Welcome. Today we have an exciting update for Smart Learning Suite. We've integrated it with Google Tools and Workflows, which means for teachers that now they can create, deliver, organize, and share their lessons directly from Google Drive. This is great news for administrators too, because it means your teachers don't have to learn a new tool. They can use something they're already familiar with. They don't have to go to a different website to access Smart Learning Suite online. And I'm going to show you how to set that up right now by going to the G Suite Marketplace and installing the Smart Learning Suite app. So in order to deploy the Smart Learning Suite app, you need to be a G Suite admin. As an admin, you can go to the G Suite Marketplace, search for the Smart Learning Suite app, and then when you find it, choose Domain Install. And what this will do is it will make the app appear in everyone's Google Drive across your organization. So now when teachers go to Google Drive, under the New button, they have the option under More to actually create a Smart Learning Suite online lesson. And here teachers can select Import from Google Drive to actually import a file directly from their Google Drive. So here I've got a PDF. We'll go ahead and open that up and start creating a lesson. So the lesson opens in creation mode and you have all the tools and abilities you would normally have in Smart Learning Suite Online. You can add activities and assessments here, new pages. And when you're done, you can just click Finish Editing, which will take you directly to delivery mode. So now you can see there's no students connected to the class yet, but they could type in the class code to join. And if you want to return to Google Drive, you can actually just close this tab. And now you'll see that the file you just added, created a lesson from, is here in your Google Drive. So to deliver a lesson from Google Drive, just right-click on it, choose Open With, and then choose Smart Learning Suite. And the lesson will open in a new tab in delivery mode. And if you're familiar with the Smart Learning Suite interface, you'll notice there's one difference in the top left corner here. Instead of the option to just go back to the lesson library, here you have a hamburger menu which you can open up. And it gives you all of the menu options that you'd be able to access from the lesson library in Smart Learning Suite, as well as the option to choose to edit the lesson, which will take you back into editing mode. When it comes to organizing files, Google Drive is a great platform for teachers. They're already familiar with it, and they can have their Smart Learning Suite online lessons alongside all of their other content that they've already got in Google Drive. They can create folders as they like. So here, for instance, I might create a new folder and call it Geography to put these lessons in, but I could have any other content from my drive in here alongside the lesson, and I could create as many folders as I want to organize my content. We know this is something that teachers have been asking for in Smart Learning Suite Online, so we're excited to have this through Google Drive integration. Another advantage of having Smart Learning Suite Online lessons in Google Drive is that teachers can share the lessons the same way they're already sharing content. So here, for instance, I could right-click and generate a shareable link so that I can share a copy of this lesson with students or with other teachers. So as you can see, Smart Learning Suite Online integrates with the Google tools and workflows that your teachers are already familiar with. And this is great news for you because it's going to save you a ton of time on installation and training, and it's also going to save your teachers time every day because they're using a platform that they're familiar with. So if you're an administrator, head on over to the G Suite Marketplace and give this a try.
So thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, leave comments or questions, and subscribe below. And we'll see you next time on Lightworks TV.